Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, show how to about resolving if you have an issue with the Net Framework error code 1026 exception code C00000FT on your Windows 10 and Windows 11 computer. Going to start menu, open it up and type Windows features. Turn Windows features on or off. Go ahead and open it up. Locate the Net Framework service and check or select this option and press OK. Select Let Windows Update download the files for you. Okay, so you can see it completed the change. Click on close and open it up a web browser, in this case Microsoft Edge, and search for Google Chrome or Firefox. Go to google.com and search for Visual C++ redistributable. One moment. Redistributable 2015 to 2022. Download. Click in the official site for Microsoft. Scroll down and select the download button. Select the corresponding one for your Windows version. If you want to check your architecture, open the Start menu and right click and select System. Make your download section and select Next. Open the folder right click and select Run as Administrator. If you receive account control, click on Yes. Want to agree to the license terms and conditions and select Install. Click on Next, 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 and Install. And open it up the Start menu and select Restart. Log in your Windows computer. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Please like button. Press the like button and see you in the next video. Goodbye.